Hey guys, and welcome back to my cooking show. My name is Akbar, and today is a very special episode. And the reason why it's very special is because everything that you're gonna see today is made completely from scratch. And you just gotta believe me on this one, guys. Fresh made tortillas. Alright guys, in under 2.5 minutes we're going to get this done. We're going to start off with our vegetables. Cut our tomatoes rough is fine. Onions, same thing. Don't worry about it being too perfect. We're going to cut up also our garlic. We're going to press it through and our pot is going to be ready. But first we have to show off that we made our refried beans from scratch. You can get them at the store. Once the pot is ready, we're going to dangerously apply our ground beef to the pot and begin to mix it around. Next thing we're going to do is make sure that we season our meat. Always in the description, so don't worry about that, guys. We're going to give it another mix, and then we're going to go ahead and add our onions and our garlic. We're going to leave that in the pot for a little bit, give it a mix around, and then once you're all finished with that, we're going to go ahead and add our tomatoes as well as our tomato paste, and then we're going to give it a final mix, and our sauce is all ready for the casserole. Alright, time to build. Start off with a first layer of tortillas. Make sure you grease your pan before, otherwise it won't come off. We're going to add a thin layer of refried beans, at which point we're going to add our meat sauce on top. Make sure you put a nice amount of meat in there, okay guys? And then we're going to add a little bit of corn and a little bit of black beans because we have to be a little bit healthy. And then go ahead and add our cheese. We're going to continue these steps. Again, we're going to go ahead and add another layer of tortillas. And then we're going to clearly defy our own instructions by putting corn on top of the refried beans for some odd reason, but you know what, YOLO. So we're going to go ahead and finish this guy off. We're going to apply some more cheese on the top to kind of be done with it, and then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of panko on top. 350 degrees for half an hour, guys, and you'll have a beautiful product. We'll see you next week.